In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share a link from a document that you have created in Office 365 and post it in Schoology so that your teacher can view your work. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come over to our project. So let's say, for example, we have created a PowerPoint project or we have opened up a Word document, and that's where our presentation is. First thing that we're going to do, if we have not opened up Office 365 and created the document from that way, you're going to have to save this to OneDrive. So the first thing that I'm going to do, if I haven't already saved this, I'm going to go to File, Save As, and I'm going to click on OneDrive, and I'm going to make sure that this gets saved to OneDrive so that it's stored in the cloud. So I'm going to pick the folder that I want this to go into, and I'm going to name it. And now once it has been saved to the cloud, to Office 365, we can get a link so that we can share this with our teacher. So you can see here, everything is saved, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up to the top of the document and I'm going to click Share. If you are in a Word document, you will also see a Share button probably somewhere over in the right-hand side. You just need to look for that Share. Once this window pops up, you're going to have to make a couple of changes. Right here where it says People in Lynbrook Public Schools with the link and edit, we need to change this because we only want our teacher to have access to this. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this so that we can get a share option. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upload a link to a document that you have created using Office 365 and paste it and share it with your teacher in Schoology. So the first thing we're going to do is we need to go over and log into Office 365 and get into OneDrive so we can access our document. If you have not already saved your document to OneDrive, you do need to do that. So if you created your document, let's say you created a PowerPoint document or a Word document, and you have not yet saved it to OneDrive, you're going to need to do that first by coming up to the File menu and clicking on Save As, and then you are going to select OneDrive. So you can see here we have OneDrive. You're going to make sure that you click on OneDrive. You are going to name the document, and then you are going to put it in a folder if you have folders set up in OneDrive. If you have already done this, or you have created your document in Office 365, you can skip this step. So now you can see we are in OneDrive and we need to get a share link so that our teacher can view our work. And we're going to get that share link and we're going to paste it into Schoology. So I have saved that document to a particular folder. So I'm going to go to the folder where I saved it. And you can see here is the test PowerPoint that I created. And I now need to get a share link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the three dots when I rest my cursor on this particular document. I get those three dots and I'm going to go over to Share. In this new window, it's going to ask who do you want to share this with. Right now it says People in Lynbrook Public Schools with the link and edit. We want to make this so it is only shared with our teacher, so we're going to click on that and we're going to change it to specific people. If you would like to give your teacher editing rights to your document, you can leave that. If not, you can uncheck Allow Editing. Once you have it listed as specific people, and then you're going to click Apply, you're going to be asked, well, who do you want to share this with? So you're going to type in the name of your teacher, and you can easily find their name by typing in their last name, and you will find their email address. So you're going to click on the teacher's name, but we are not going to click Send. What we want to do is we just want to get the link to this document. So we're going to click on Copy Link. So the link has been copied, and now we're ready to post it into Schoology so our teacher can view it. So now that we have the link copied, we're going to jump over to our Schoology course, and I can go into the current folder that I'm working, and you can see here there is a link that says Final Project, add your link here. So I'm going to click on this, and this is a Schoology discussion. So in order for my teacher to view my link, all I'm going to do in this comment box is I'm going to type in something about my project. Here is my presentation, and then I'm going to click on this link so that I can link my project. So when I click on link, it asks me for two pieces of information. It wants the link and it wants a title to my presentation. So if I put my cursor where it says link, I can right click and I can paste, and it's going to now paste that share link that I got from Office 365. And here you can put in a title of your project, whatever your project was called, and then you can click attach. So now where the last step is we need to post it. So we have our title over here, we have our link. We're going to click post. And now you can see the link is here, and when my teacher clicks on it, they will be able to view my project. And those are the steps. If you need to rewind this video to go back to any of the steps, you can do that. Just be careful when you're getting your share link, make sure that you specify who it is you want to share with.